Okay, I want to show you a sequence I did on Ferdinand the Bull that could have been better. Ferdinand is very big and he hasn't shown his strength yet. He hasn't been confronted by anybody because he lived on a farm his whole life and he's very docile. So this is Angus and he's going to confront Ferdinand outside of this barn between a trailer and an electric fence. So here he is, gets shocked, bzz, whack, dagoosh, bagoosh. And then let's see it again a little faster. Zzz, bam, and gagoosh. But it's staged, it could be closer, like if you're at a fight, I want to get nice and tight. So let's do a scene where it's tighter. And let's run it one more time. Okay, much better. Next week, I promise, keyboard tricks. Bye.